Hello everyone, I am Liban Kashif, learner of UKG. Here are 118 elements in the modern periodic table. I shall try to say the name of 36 elements. Hydrogen, helium, lithium, beryllium, boron, carbon, nitrogen, oxygen, fluorine, neon, sodium, magnesium, aluminium, silicon, phosphorus, sulfur, chlorine, argon, potassium, calcium, scandium, titanium, vanadium, chromium, manganese, iron, cobalt, nickel, copper, zinc, gallium, germanium, arsenic, selenium, bromine, krypton. Don't forget to click the subscribe button and bell icon. Bye bye.